friends, get those pencils ready. We're gonna be drawing Megamind. I got the head too big. There we go. I mean, he does have a big head, but yeah. So I'm just getting some stuff laid out here. Just a loose sketch. There we go. All right. I'm gonna get that marker going. You guys keep doing it in pencil. Doing it in pencil. All right, so we're gonna start with a diagonal line, and then it's gonna come back down like that. And that is the top of Megamind's head because he got a pointy head. And then we're gonna come around and down, around and down. And then we're gonna put one eyebrow like that. And we're gonna put another eyebrow like that. And then we're gonna draw a half circle, another little circle, some black. And then over here, we're gonna draw another line, a half circle, another one, and a black. Then we're gonna put lines inside, and we're gonna draw in, down, back up, and out. Then we're gonna draw the little nose, which is a curve. It's kind of like a W. Then we're gonna draw some little cheek lines like that, and then they come down like that. And then he's got his Megamind creepy smile. And his little Megamind creepy little mustachio goatee thing. Yes, just like that. And then we gotta draw some ears. And we'll do just a little bit of ear detail. And then we're gonna draw a little triangle, a little triangle. We're gonna do a little V here. And then we're gonna draw the neck. And we're gonna put a little circle here with some little stuff beside it. We're gonna draw a curvy line. It's gonna match up like that. And then we're gonna do curvy line, arms. Then we're gonna draw kind of like a little triangle like so. I'm gonna do curvy lines, 3 of them. Then we're gonna draw curvy line like that, little bean. We're gonna draw the thumb, and it's gonna come back like so. There's one arm. Here's the other arm. Three. And the thumb. It looks really weird, doesn't it? But that's what it looks like. All right, then we're gonna draw his skinny little waist. There's the back of his cape. And we're gonna draw his little belt thing and There's one leg, two legs, his little satchel thing, curvy line. There's the top of his boot. There we go. I'll just draw a pointy. There's his other boot. And then his cape. And then we've got some cape lines in here. There we go. And there we have it, Art Maniacs. Megamind. If you enjoyed this, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thank you for watching.